Binjao, welcome friends, and I haven't done a video in a while, so why not do a video unboxing my Rock the Universe Love Boo Boo! Oh my goodness, I had this for a while and I just had it sitting around just so I can do a look and unbox it with y'all, so I am so happy. I finally got the chance to open it with y'all. Look at her in all her glory. She came out like a while ago. Look at the side of the box. I really don't keep the box, and there's the QR code with the what is it called? Authenticity. And then this is the bottom of the box, but yeah, it feels really nice. Look at that sparkle. Sparkle. She's sparkling. But yeah. Okay. Now, let's open her. So, my wrist is in pain right now. And I sort of twisted or sprained it, whatever. But I'm recovering. If I'm holding it a little weird, that is the T. But look. Oh my goodness. There's the card. There's the card. Ooh, she's so pretty. I'm going with look just because of this card. But you know, the arts, the spooky, rock the universe. Oh my goodness. It's just like the box. Look at that sparkle. That and then the back says rock the universe. Rock the universe. Hell yeah. Then ow. There we go. My goodness, she's beautiful. Look at her. She's so soft. Look, her eyes move. Look at that. Now she's gonna be cross-eyed, you know. And then now she's looking back. She's looking like where's Waldo? And then let's get her out of the box. Look at that pearl necklace. Mm, there we go. You know what? Let me pause this real quick. Alrighty. So hopefully I can apply everything to release her from her cardboard cage. Woo! There she is. Yes. Oh my goodness. Look at that. There's still some cardboard pieces. Let's see if I can remove. Ooh, is it stuck? Oh. Oh. There's these pieces. And she's still stuck in there. Ugh. Oh, there's more zip ties. So I'm assuming there's more zip ties down here. She's so cute. That how you know Palma really care about securing the product unless they get run over by the truck themselves. Or the truck decide to run it over. Cut those. Oh, she is Gorgina. Ow. So, release, release her ears, please. Oh, her ears have little tag thingies. I don't understand why, but that's interesting. She's a little fuzzy, but she's so soft. Look at that necklace. Let me peel this off. Whew. You can see the little boo boo symbol, and then oh, the little yes. I think yes, it's a fabric tag, and not only that, it has the authenticity code right there. It says Pop Mart down there on her foot, but Wait, let's do the D trick. Wait. Oh, 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 oh. 360? Oh, my wrist. Her head does a 360 like a normal Labubu. She real. But yeah, that's me unboxing. She's shedding a little bit, but as I opened the box, she was shedding, but look like she's orange and yellow and red, just like the look I have. But yeah, thank you for joining my unboxing. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy me adding a new member, my family member, to my Labubu collection. And like, comment, and do your thing. Thank you. Love ya.